Installing a larger battery on a Sea-Doo Fish Pro Sport. The stock 12-volt, 18 mAh battery will be upgraded to a 12-volt, 30 mAh battery. First, remove the seats to access the engine compartment. Next, remove the two battery post screws. Prep for battery removal and remove the battery. Before installing new battery tray, install the zip tie that will secure the battery and tray. The zip tie is ran through a slot in the riveted original tray. Install the new battery tray. Prep new battery for installation. There are nuts for the screws that need to be held into place. I use some plastic wrap to accomplish this. Install the new battery and screw down your power cables to the battery posts. Connect and secure the battery hold-down zip tie. Connect your battery tender. Fish easy, fish shizzle, slay all day.